Do you think Filipina is a great wife for foreigners and why? Do you mind your partner still friends with his ex and why? As women, do we need to know our partner's body count? Does men before ask you about sharing room and sleeping together?
For now, it's very easy to have boyfriend, maybe boyfriends, girlfriends,
Yes,
since
yes.
sometimes they're not contented of one person.
Oh!
Yeah. Have two boyfriends at a time.
Oh my god, two boyfriends
And
at
it's
a
not
time.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love.
Hi beautiful people, good day. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So by the way, I'm Jelay and I'm a Filipino vlogger from the Philippines. And welcome to my Philippine channel. And for today's vlog, guys, we have our new guest. Yay! How are you, ate?
I'm fine.
Okay, so
But nervous.
I'm nervous. Don't be nervous. I will not eat you. They will not eat you. Okay, so introduce your name.
My name is Rose Atico from Tanhay City and I'm 30 years old.
You're 30 years old. Wow.
Yes.
How does it feel being 30?
It feels like being 30 is we cannot say it's easy cause you have a different responsibilities that kanang you always think first before doing something since you are old enough to do something or kanang you need to not as youth people that it's okay to be like this and like that, but when you are 30, so you have the great and a big responsibility na you need to conquer in your life that nobody will can how do you say
Nobody can stop you,
Yeah.
So is it
Yes,
too much
that it.
pressure to be
Um,
30 and you're still really you know what, there's no age limit on achieving success, right?
Yes.
But for you, is there any pressure on that?
Yes, it is
Because-
very stressful and maybe you can think sometimes that you will stop like this to my parents since I am the one who always follow up them since they are too old. So combining different responsibility is so very hard.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can always say I will surrender, but for me now I just
it's
only
okay-
cry,
it's okay to cry.
but it's okay to cry, but later on you need to stand up to do what is the best for you and your family.
Yeah. How old is your parents right now?
70 and 66.
70 and 66.
Yeah.
So you're the only one who like take care of them?
Yes, since my siblings are far
They live far?
they live far from Cebu and one is from Manila.
Wow, very far.
Yes.
So how many siblings do you have?
5, one boy and we are 4 girls.
4 girls. So you are in college right now.
Yes.
Wow, at what level?
Second year college.
Second year college.
Yes.
Oh my juice, you still have 2 years left.
But 2 years left is so very hard and challenging.
Of course.
Hopefully, I can survive.
Yeah, you will survive. If you will say that you will survive, you will. But if you will say that you cannot survive, you can't survive.
Yes.
You always think the positive side.
It's up to you guys since sometimes people nowadays if they have a small problems in their life, they just surrender easily, but for me, not
Go,
me.
go, go. Of course, never surrender. So if you dream that kind of thing or if you dream that success, just use it as your inspiration to continue and to
Yes.
reach that success.
And you can always find a way if you really want that thing for
God
you.
will always find ways.
Yes.
You just need to trust in Him. All right. So, when you graduate, what is your plan?
Me, when I graduate, I plan to have work. Also, the main reason is to help my parents because not only my parents always help me, but I will also have the favor to return what they do to me. So um my parents don't
They don't
ask you
ask.
to help them
Pay
back,
back,
but
yeah. It's you.
but it's in myself to help them, because I know how hard they do for me and for my family.
Yeah. How hard they made you.
Yes.
Charot.
How hard they made me, so that's why I'm
Maybe
here.
that was easiest thing. Made you. Okay, so how does it feel living in the province?
Living in the province is, you can say, good and not so, since they have a disadvantage and advantages. So living in the province is, the disadvantage to that is you are not prone to anything like here living in the cities, and you are also if you need to relax on yourself, you can relax, nobody bothered you. And living in the cities is different from them, and but the disadvantage is that living in provinces is you will left behind, like now, diba, nowadays you need to have gadgets in schools, and if you are in
Yes.
province, so you will be ignorant if you don't.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's true.
you will become
I
ignorant
was
if
like that too.
if you cannot adapt the changes that happened in our life nowadays.
What was your hardest part living in a tropical country or place?
The hardest part living in a tropical place or country is that we cannot predict the something happened in our place, like typhoons or many other things that happen. So the hardest part is that during 2021, I go to the hospital because I have an ovarian cyst, and during that time is also typhoon Odette.
Yes,
Yeah,
the strongest
typhoon, the
one.
strongest typhoon that happened. So during that time, if I am not here already in Dumaguete, is maybe I cannot survive, since my place is far from hospital. Maybe we have a hospital in our cities, but it's not like
Small.
it's small, so you need to transfer and transfer so that we can get to the hospital. But
Yeah.
during that time is very hard to transport. So during that time, I already here, since I have going back to the hospital, then back home, then hospital, then back home. So during that time, I'm here. So if I'm not already here, so I can survive, since I have blood lost.
Oh my God,
So
it
I
was
just, yes,
urgent.
I
Emergency.
can only, I get only in the hospital, but my blood already.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you've lost
Yes,
blood already.
so and also that also kanang during that time is not only a kanang bad things that happened in my life also, but I also considered it as a good things that happened in my life, since I was survived, and not only survive, I appreciate my worth as a person, and how my family really loved me during that time.
So
Yes,
they loved you so
Yeah.
much. What they did to you?
because during that time, the house of my sisters in Cebu are all
Wash out.
washed out during that time,
Ah.
but instead of helping themselves to rebuild their houses, they did not find a way to rebuild their houses during that time, but they find money and a way to help me. So even if I am they are also the most needed during that time. They still choose me.
prioritize you.
They give priority to me. They still choose me to help than themselves.
Ah,
So that was the
wow,
greatest things that happened, even if it's a disaster, but that disasters turn into the greatest things that happened
Like
in
you
my
feel,
life.
Yeah, you feel love from them.
Yes.
And you know what? We only live once, so that's the good thing that they
Yes.
think about your life instead of rebuilding the house.
They
Because
live on that tent during that
So they
time,
live in
since
the
they
tent.
still choose me than to rebuild their house.
yeah, I feel you like you really feel the love from them, which is that's how we called family.
Yes, that's
Ah.
if I am given a chance to choose a family again, I rather choose them as always.
That's good. That's how Filipino guys, like, we help each other even we don't have nothing, you know, like
Yes.
we always have something to share, even we can't help ourselves, but we can
But we always think
To help
others to
others.
help others.
So at age of 30, at what age you started dating?
I started dating 18. Yes, I was in high school during that time.
Wow, high school.
Unlike now that um, children's nowadays is they go to school during 4 years old, 5 years
Yeah,
old.
yeah.
But during our time, we go to school 8, 9, grade 1. That's
So
grade
at
1.
what age you start
So-
grade 1?
8.
8.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's normal long time ago, right?
Yes.
Unlike now, like
Unlike now,
even 4 years
4
old.
years old
Oh,
can
yeah.
go to school,
Yes. Because before, no preschool, no kinder, only grade 1 to
but
grade 6. And
only grade 1 to grade 6, and we are only the one who will go to school.
Yeah.
Unlike now that
Kids.
parents go to school even if high school.
yeah,
Yeah.
like the parents need to send them to school every day because what if they will just go somewhere with friends and don't go to school, you know?
Yes, that's it.
Kids right now is scary. Very scary.
Before we are at a young age, we are so very responsible about ourselves and responsible of the task in house.
The
But
house
nowadays, I cannot say that.
You cannot say that.
Yes.
So before at 5 years old, we know how to cook rice,
Yes.
right? But now,
5, 8 years old, your parents are leaving you alone in the house.
Yes.
Because they know that you can
They can trust you.
they can trust you. You can live on your own. Even if they leave you one day since they have work. But now, even old children are now don't know how to cook. They just only know how to play cell phone.
yeah, it's the gadgets now is really destroying the kids.
Yes, but sometimes they have also big help to the persons or especially students nowadays, but it depends on how the students do about that thing. Okay,
Yeah.
if they will what you call that in Bisaya, abuso sa
Abuse.
what they have right now, it can harm them.
Yeah,
Baka
it can
tabang,
harm
but
them. Yeah,
destroy
it can
also.
help, but too much is no good.
Yes.
Okay, so what is like dating a long time ago?
Way back
Way
before.
back to 18 years old. You're 30
Way
now.
back, how many years passed? Dating before is, for me, is very good since unlike manggod now, the boy or the persons
Courting.
who court you is they are the one who go to your home, ask your parents consent if they really agree to be with you or something. But
Yeah.
nowadays, children's, as what I observe during now, elementary children's have boyfriends already. Yes.
Before you started 18.
Yeah. For now, it's very easy to have boyfriend, maybe boyfriends, girlfriends,
Yes,
since
yes.
sometimes they're not contented of one person.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
So, young ones now are not contented only one partner.
Yes. Sometimes have two boyfriends at a time.
Oh my God, two
And
boyfriends at
it's
a time.
And nowadays also is not all, but but mostly men's now are not going home. They're just chat through cell phones,
Through
and
cell
they will
phones.
become girlfriends and boyfriends.
Are they
Yeah.
girlfriends and boyfriend?
Yeah.
What if they also...
In just one click, diba? Yung makauyab na ka.
So, one click right now, in
Yes.
today's generation, you can have boyfriend.
Yeah.
You can have girlfriend.
In just one click and a blink of an eye,
Oh,
boom.
boom. Yeah, it's very instant now, right? Like
Yes.
noodles.
Instant noodles, instant mommy.
food, instant money. Oh my God, that's crazy right now. And unlike before, like the guy needs to visit your house to like
They
you
will do the
introduce
household.
Oh
Yeah, in order for the parents to believe them that this person is good for my my daughter or
Yeah,
something.
like they will
Yes.
show their their self, like their ability, their attitude, their skills.
Yes.
Like, I know how to break this wood.
Yeah,
I
that
know
was
how to
before.
fetch water. I know
But
how to cook.
nowadays, maybe still, but not ano na, not all
Not all. Maybe in
Yeah.
the
provinces. Mountain province,
But in the
they
city,
but in the city, no, you
no,
cannot
just
see that.
one click and we meet in 1 kilometer. Charot.
Limit on kilometer, then boom.
1 kilometer away. That's how Tinder is. Like 1 kilometer, then you meet the person. Then after that, oh, you know where to go. It's
Yeah.
crazy, right? So does men before ask you about sharing room and sleeping together?
No.
No.
Men before is they respect your decisions, they respect your parents, and they respect your self. Unlike nowadays na you as a woman, you can sleep to the boy's house, but
Yeah.
before you
Parents.
cannot you can go to the boy's house, but you cannot sleep their house, since if your parents say that this time you will go home, then
You will go.
you
home.
will go home.
Or not, what do the parents do?
If not, okay, bye, goodbye, no boyfriends at
No
all.
boyfriends at all.
Parents before is protecting you,
Protective.
strict, but they are just doing the best
For
for
you.
you.
That's good. Yeah, that's how parents before, because before the parents also scared about gossip, you know.
Yes.
But now women and I like young generation doesn't care about it because it's secret. It's on the
Yes.
phone. Everything is on the phone and you can meet also in secret.
And your parents mostly don't know how to use the phone, so it's big advantage to both of you.
Yeah, especially
Yeah.
those young ones that are renting a boarding house
Yes.
because they are away from their parents.
They're away from their parents,
So it's
and their
easy to-
parents kanang don't know what they do.
Yeah, yeah. So it's
So-
easy to ruin the rules.
They're just surprised.
Surprise! I'm preggy. As women, do we need to know our partner's body count?
As woman, yes, because
Why?
it is for me it is a source of trust.
Mm-hmm.
Since if they share you their past,
Mm-hmm.
that happens not necessary to hurt you, but it means that if they tell you about their past, about their girls, women's, or something, you can say to yourself that he trusted me. You can express your importance. If you are important to that person, he don't hides you his past, whether
Yeah.
it's good or bad. Since being in a relationship is the most important things that you need to have is trust. Both parties don't
Yeah.
have trust, so your love is, I think,
It's not. There's no love at all if no
yeah,
trust.
yeah.
Because if you cannot trust that person, how could you say that you are in love with him?
Yes.
And how could you say that he loves you if he's not the trusted
and
one?
and how could you say that kanang he or she is the best and is the best for you? For me, trust is the most important, whether it's bad experience
Or
or
not.
not. As long as you tell me the truth,
About-
and that's okay, I will accept it. Yeah.
So whatever happens in the past and you both in love each other in the present time, you don't care about his past.
Yeah.
At least you know.
At least I know, kay when you don't know that past, and you will know, for example, you will know then you are married already, so that will cause troubles.
Yes.
Troubles that can also cause kanang part ways of both
Like
of you.
breakups.
So, and it is very hard if you both break ups and you're already married, since if you are already married, so much better if you tell them before what happened to you, so that there's no conflict in the
Yeah,
future.
there's no conflict because what if you already married and she found out to other people, like
Yeah.
you had a child in the
That's
past.
it will hurts a lot. Yes, maybe it's in the past, but the past is a part for the future. So
Yeah.
and it also affects in the future and sometimes quarrel.
Yeah, because you're like sometimes I like if you're a partner, you're already married to him and you found out that like in the first place, maybe it's hard for you to accept it. Like you will ask him why you didn't tell me before
Yes.
we got married. What if like if you told me that I will not pursue our relationship because that kid is very important, like maybe you and the mom's kid will get along, maybe you'll get back together, and it's
Yeah.
because maybe it's because of me, you choose me, that's the reason why you left the past relationship, like it's like that. Like sometimes you blame yourself, but you don't have to blame yourself because of that, but it's better to know before than
Yes.
later, after the marriage, which is really good. I love your answer. Okay. So as women, does men need to know our past, or we just keep it?
For me as woman, like what I've said a while ago, that it's better to tell them the truth, the whole truth, but nothing but the truth.
Okay,
Yeah.
about us.
Yeah,
Because
about us.
for men we need to know about their past, their body count. So as women, we also need to share to them about
We
it.
also need to share to them whether they accept us or not, but much better to tell them.
You know what? There was a story. I remember about this story. Like, a Filipina married to a Filipino, and they've been in relationship for years, and they get married maybe after 2 years.
Yes.
And after marriage, during the first night, because he didn't touch her, and she said that she is virgin, she doesn't have any experience, and during the first night, he found out that she is not um virgin anymore, and he broke her up. Do you heard about that, like,
Um,
story about?
no, but I just I just sometimes I read something about mga story.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it is very kanang relatable in real life. Breakup is hurting, but if you don't tell the truth, that's the best hurt that you ever had.
Because you know what, it's better to be transparent to your partner before starting reach their expectations. Sometimes too much expectations,
Yes.
and when they already live with us, living together in one house, that's the time that you can also learn about both attitudes. And
Yes.
yeah, so it's better to tell.
They expect something about us, but we cannot give it in return.
Alright. That's cool. So you mind your partner still friends with his ex, and why?
Friends, well, it's okay to be friends, but not close friends.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, not close friends.
Yeah, friends, and you can smile them if we walk, and you will see. Yeah,
What if
it's
he will
if you for chat? No,
yeah,
no way.
like chatting,
You-
your ex still chatting with your partner still chatting with his ex, and like important, like not really important, like hello, how are you, something like
Yeah,
that. Would you allow him to do that?
I won't.
Okay.
I'm selfish.
Oy, it's
Yeah,
good to be
yeah.
it's good to be selfish sometimes.
I won't, since they have their past, and that past can be sometimes continue.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
So,
Like you will think
yeah.
something like,
So,
what if?
So if you for me, if you really respect your girlfriend, boyfriends, or your your husband or wife, you need to keep distance to your exes, since that ex sometimes can cause
Trouble.
trouble in your relationship, especially when you are married already. So you need to always remember that you need to do distance. It's okay to be friend, but not to be close to that person, since you have the background before that you are linked to each other. So that will, aside from cause trouble, there's a there's a sometimes things happen that you will come back to that person. Yes, come
Like,
back, but no
you feel in love again
yeah.
to The past
when
one.
you, especially when you talk about what you did before
Oh my
to her. Yes,
It's
yeah.
better not to
Yeah.
chat, guys.
Yeah. So
Don't message dad. Okay. So, do you mind your partner will still hang out with friends and drinking even you guys are already married?
for me, yes. Since being married is a not only, I'm a kind of person na if I am married to that person, I will cut the I will put an end to his or her happiness. But being with our friends is also a happiness to us.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a stress reliever
Stress
as a
reliever.
person, and as a family. You need to unwind sometimes, but you need to limit yourself.
Of course.
You
yeah.
always, you don't make your friends or drink as your priority. Make it a just a, if you count from 1 to 5, you make it 4 or 5, and your first priority is your family. Since whatever happens to you, based as what I experience, whatever happens to you, not all friends will help you, but your family, it's always be there.
Yeah,
Whatever
yeah.
happens.
Yeah, whatever
Yeah.
happens.
They are kanang, your family is, you need to choose them first before choosing your friends and your, what's that, drinking, since your family knows the best for
The
you,
best for
and
you.
they don't they sometimes it's your happiness, but the most happiness is for your family, since kanang they are actually they are actually your companion, whatever happens
Yeah, whatever
in your
happens,
life.
you will always come
Yeah.
back to your family.
So it's okay, but you need to
Not
limit.
too much.
Always remember to limit about it.
Okay, that's good. Because whatever happens to you, your family is always there, but your friends will not
Yes.
be there for you because they also have their priorities in life.
Not all friends will
stay.
help you.
Will help you
They
and
are
stay.
just with you during
With happy times.
with happy time, but in good times, not all friends are there.
Good times or
Ay,
sad
in bad
times?
times,
Bad times.
yeah, bad
Okay.
times rather. They are just in good times,
But not
but in bad times,
No.
not all of them will go with you.
Yeah. So, do you think Filipina is a great wife for foreigners and why?
Oh my God. For me, as a Filipina, and for me, yes, foreigners is a need to, what's that need? Foreigners, if they looking for the best wife,
Okay,
so
guys.
Filipina is the best. Why? Because Filipina will not only stay with you during happiness, good times, during your riches,
Okay.
but a Filipina person is always there for you no matter what. During bad times, you can during bad times, you can, what's that? You can depend to a Filipina person, and also a Filipina person is willingly take good care of you even if you're too old, cause like what the song lyrics na kahit matanda ay kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, di ba? So
Yeah,
Filipina
even
is
we're-
always be there for you whatever happens during at your 100 age, 80, 70, 90.
Okay.
A Filipina person
That's
is
in the
always,
vows,
yeah.
That's in the vows, right? Like, for better, for worse,
Till death do us part. Yeah, that's a Filipina girl.
Like, as a Christian, we do also follow that. Like,
Yes.
because since we already, when you marriage in the church, like, you value the vows, like what you said in front in the
Yeah.
altar or in
Even if
God.
sometimes there are person is, even if they are breakups already and they have different love lives, but during the during the sickness to that person, the real
Real
wife are still kanang valuable to help or to do or to take good care of that, since we value that, what you said, till death do us part. So
Yeah.
only if we die, yeah, that's the only cut of the ties to the
Okay,
both
cut
of
of
two
the
persons.
ties.
Yeah.
Okay, so as Filipina guys, as she said, it is a strong tight, strong
Yeah.
tight. Like she will stay with you for better and for worse until death do us part. Even your hair is color gray, she
Yeah.
will stay with you, take care of you. But not. Do you think it's all like that?
No, I think it's not, because sometimes, whether we accept it or not, sometimes, not all, but
Some
sometimes,
Filipinas.
some Filipina are just using them for money,
Yeah,
for their self. I won't say that that's really their ano what's that their attitude, but sometimes there also main reason why they act like that, since sometimes also foreigners also they're just kanang use them also, especially body. So
Okay.
yeah, so they just
foreigner use them for body and Filipino
use them for money. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
just return.
In just
in
yeah.
return.
But not all.
Not
Mostly Filipina persons are willingly what's that?
willingly to take care of you and has a good
Yes.
heart. Oh, I love it. All right. So that's all for today. And you know what? I really like all your answers. Like it's true to your heart and
Thank you.
it's based on the real life. I like it. It's not that, like you just make a story, but it is really true based on true story. Wala, charot. Based in real life and I like it. So hopefully our viewers learn something about it, about the Philippines, about the Filipina, about the Filipino attitude, cultures and everything. And yeah, thank you so much everyone and thank you so much to you for coming here and for interview and yeah, it's such a what do you call that? It's such a gratitude Charot, for me to say about it. Like thank you for coming here. All right guys, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.